Okay, to start with the first session, we have with us today here Professor Hema Gandotra, there at the dais. She's the program coordinator NSS, University of Jammu. She'll be the resource person of today, and she'll be having an orientation program with you regarding the NSS and the national integration. Right? We welcome you, ma'am, and we believe that your words of wisdom are going to benefit our students a lot. Thank you so much for being here.
Before I begin, let's give a NSS clap for ourselves. Thank you. A very warm welcome to each one of you to this city of temples. I hope I'm audible. Yes, the last benches can listen to me? Okay, welcome to the City of Temples. Welcoming each one of you to this National Integration Camp, which is being hosted by two of our very famous colleges, Gandhinagar College and the Parade College. When I was the NSS Program Officer in the year 2020, because I took over as Program Coordinator in the year 2022. When I was the Program Officer in 2020, we had the opportunity to host the National Integration Camp in University of Jammu in Feb 2020. And that was the period when I recall I learned lot many things being an NSS Program Officer. So the theme for this year National Integration Camp is Women Empowerment and Emancipation through NSS. I really feel happy and it gives me a lot of solace when I actually see all the women participating in the camps. I recall in the year 2023, we had All India Women Pre-Republic Day Camp and Republic Day Camp. And that was actually the time when we actually thought of that, yes, now the time has come where we can very surely and with pride say that yes, the country is thinking about women also, and yes, we have women empowerment also. But to my surprise, if still we have to give this theme of women empowerment and emancipation, that means we are still thinking on the lines of empowering the women and emancipating the women. So before I begin with my formal lecture, what NSS is all about, what are the objectives, what is the NSS symbol actually talks about, what the color actually talks about, I'm just going to give you a small task to all the volunteers from different states. Because you all are sitting together, so I would want you, maybe in a group, I'll give you maybe 5 to 6 minutes to ponder on, to think upon that how NSS have been able to bring changes in your life as a woman. How NSS has brought some kind of a change, or how you as a woman feel that I'm proud being an NSS volunteer. So maybe we will ask each state, maybe one of the student among that state to share the experiences of the group, because you all are the women NSS volunteers. So how do you feel as NSS volunteer, and how National Service Scheme Rashtriya Seva Yojana has been able to bring changes in your life? The first change which I can witness is that today you are here, that's a big change. You are in the UT of Jammu and Kashmir, and your parents have allowed you to visit the UT of Jammu and Kashmir is a big change I see in the mindsets of the, not just the students, even the parents, even the relatives. Because I still recall the time when we were students and we had to go on an educational trip. So it was convincing each and every member of the family and telling them to permit us to go to those areas or those places. And the only objection was, no, you are a girl, so we can't take that risk of sending you too far from this place. But now I'm glad I can see students, I can see volunteers from different states coming to the UT of Jammu and Kashmir and not just making us pride, but even the entire country, because now this message that we are having an all women integration camp, women volunteer integration camp has gone, the message has gone around the country, and there are messages that this time the Jammu and Kashmir itself is holding such type of a camp. So not wasting much of the time, I'll just give you 7 minutes to write down on a piece of paper that how NSS has been able to brought about changes in your lives. Yes, your time starts now. You can discuss among yourselves.
अगर वो नहीं कर पाते फिर किसी या ना पास
You can highlight 3 important points. Minimum 3 points have to be there. Cluster University Srinagar or Kashmir University?
Islamic University of Science and
Okay. IUST. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We'll begin with you. Yes.
NSS has provided us a platform where we gain knowledge about different states and about their different cultures. Today, it was the integration where we showed our leadership qualities. We have met different people, where we work with different teams. It gains us different knowledge about them, and we came to know about their culture as well. And the main thing what I learned today was the teamwork.
The teamwork. Okay. So how has this teamwork impacted your life, or how do you think this teamwork is going to have some kind of an impact on your lives?
Like further in my life, it will help me in.
Chalo, I got you. I know what you want to say, but you are unable to express at this moment.
Yes.
Thank you. Yes, which state?
Ma'am, I'm Tanisha from Delhi.
From Delhi. So we have University of Delhi. So yes, you can speak on that mic. You have a mic. Just switch it on.
I'm speaking. Ma'am, I'm comfortable.
Okay.
So, ma'am, as proceeding her argument, that decision making has been evolved during time. Like, if we talk about historical times or the earlier times, the girls were not involved in decision making, whether it's household, whether it's society, or anywhere. But now, as I'm a part of NSS, I have engaged in many activities where the boys, girls, both are interacting with each other, but there is no gender inequality. We both, like, whether they are boys or we are girls, like together we make decisions and then we proceed the things further. So gender inequality is avoided or vanished, we can say. Not fully, but yes, it is.
Okay, thank you. So we got a very important point where we have this decision-making power coming in, where now we can say that yes, to some extent we are moving on to the path of equality. Yes, which state?
Ma'am, state of J&K, University of Kashmir School of Law.
Okay, University of Kashmir.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, as she said, it develops social responsibility among us, as it encourages us as a young people to participate in community services. And lastly, it brought us together as a young people from diverse backgrounds and regions.
Okay, thank you. So next point we got is very important. The social just switch on the mic. Yeah.
As a NSS volunteer, it has been boosting my confidence so much, as there are so much of activities that happens in our college, and as a woman, it always boosts my confidence in every activity. It also helps us to contribute to our environment because we have done so many cleanliness drives as Swachhta and Seva. As a woman, I only want to say today, I am here in Jammu only because of NSS integration camp. Otherwise, my parents will not allow to come here. I said there are only women, that's why they allow me to come here. And it gives us so many opportunities to interact with different culture, different people, and we know more about the outer world, that what happens. As a woman, when we live in a city, we don't know what happens outside our home. But after joining this, we are able to know there are so many things happen in our society level, in our home level. There is so much. I have gained so much knowledge through NSS by participating in quiz, etc., etc. Thank you.
Thank you, dear. Thank you.
Center, and third of all, it enhances our time management skills and self-responsibilities, and third of all, it builds our confidence as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you. My own capacities, my weaknesses, and my own strengths. And it was only through NSS that I got to know all these things. Otherwise, what happens? I'll give you a chance. I'll give chance to everybody. Otherwise, what happens when we are in our own academic journeys? We tend to forget about ourselves. We tend to forget our strengths, our limitations. And it is these kind of platforms, the National Service Scheme, which teaches us the motto of not me but you, tends us, asks us, gives us a time to explore ourselves, to do something for the society, to do the community service in order to develop our own personalities. Yes. Which state? Yes, yes.
Good afternoon, everyone. So, ma'am, the question was how NSS is empowering the women. So, in my opinion, first of all, I want to talk about the education and awareness. NSS organizes camps, seminars, and workshops that focus on educating women about their rights, social issues, and health, encouraging women in understanding their potential so that they can actively participate. Second of all, skill development. NSS training programs, as we all know, NSS conducts a lot of training programs that introduces women in the fields of entrepreneurship and tailoring and financial, and that makes women financially independent in this harsh world. So third of all, through community service projects, NSS volunteers work alongside women in rural and urban areas, helping them address issues like sanitation and healthcare. And at the last, I want to add my own experience, as I am the patient of OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder. So I was not able to use public washrooms or touch any like filthy things. So as an NSS volunteer, I participated in many cleanliness drives, and I came in this camp for the first time, and I'm able to use the washroom, and I'm able to touch the dirt and all. All thanks goes to NSS. Thank you so much.
Thank you for your wonderful experience.
Here we are discussing about the empowerment of women, but ma'am, generally we speak about that, and this is only not providing the path to women, but it is providing the path to every person in the society which are going to initiate themselves in the social activities. But not only in social activities, they are also motivating themselves in the yoga activities, curriculum activities, painting, and etc. activities are going to be progress. But that is not a part. You speak about the boundaries of the girl. That boundaries are crossing nearly. Hardly some people are restricting the girls to stay in the boundaries. But there are not boundaries, just they are possessive for that things. That's the only matter. But we need to understand about our right. We need to speak about our rights so that we can pass through the very clear path in the social activities. And social activities is not generally we should need to provide them the path, peoples, or push them to speak or whatever. It is a path of explaining them about their basic requirements, about their voice, about their rights, about their freedom. So they will need to speak about that. They can speak and they could speak, but that is a matter. The people are going to stop them for the everything. They used to done it, but we not have to stop for that things. We need to participate and participate.
Thank you so much. So
We can say them that you can also join this, you can also come in this, it's easy or something. And contribution to the society, it builds a positive attitude in our souls, and it draws your effort, the change brought by your efforts, and builds a positive attitude and sense of fulfillment in ourselves.
Thank you.
Start off with the quote that my fellow friend said, sensitivity a power, not a weakness. Okay, we all know that how women are being like treated most of the time. You're weak, you know, you're emotional, showing the tantrums and you know everything. So I feel like women camp gives us a platform where you can come and express yourself. You know, we are coming from different diversified regions, we are connecting, and yet there's one thing that unites us together, which is the sensitivity that we hold within ourselves, the emotional content that we hold within ourselves. And definitely talking about NSS, it has definitely changed my whole personality. I've been in NSS for around, I guess, 6 years. So it's like immense pleasure that came on, and you know, she gave me a chance to represent. You know, there are always some idols that you look up to. So she's one of the role models, and there are so many. My PO from Maya College and everything. So you follow those role models. And let me tell you, all my role models are actually women. So you know, you find the sensitivity and connectivity within themselves. And talking about NSS particularly, I feel like blood donation is another very important aspect of this program, which inculcates an idea that oftentimes you must hear that, you know, women, you know, they have very low hemoglobin. You're not supposed to give your blood or anything. But yet, when you're into NSS, you put yourself into it and you do it because you know that community needs it. And definitely there is no much bigger of a power than a woman holds within herself, because she creates this world. She is the ruling power of the world, and we can achieve everything and anything. So that's it. Thank you.
Thank you.
And through volunteering, a person can work with more closely with diverse individuals and groups to gain deeper insight into their experiences. And it helps in increasing the levels of cross-cultural understanding and more intimate communication. Thank you.
We can say them that you can also join this, you can also come in this, it's easy or something. And contribution to the society, it builds a positive attitude in our souls, and it draws your effort, the change brought by your efforts, and builds a positive attitude and sense of fulfillment in ourselves.
Thank you.
Start off with the quote that my fellow friend said, sensitivity a power, not a weakness. Okay, we all know that how women are being like treated most of the time. You're weak, you know, you're emotional, showing the tantrums and you know everything. So I feel like women camp gives us a platform where you can come and express yourself. You know, we are coming from different diversified regions, we are connecting, and yet there's one thing that unites us together, which is the sensitivity that we hold within ourselves, the emotional content that we hold within ourselves. And definitely talking about NSS, it has definitely changed my whole personality. I've been in NSS for around, I guess, 6 years. So it's like immense pleasure that came on, and you know, she gave me a chance to represent. You know, there are always some idols that you look up to. So she's one of the role models, and there are so many. My PO from Maya College and everything. So you follow those role models. And let me tell you, all my role models are actually women. So you know, you find the sensitivity and connectivity within themselves. And talking about NSS particularly, I feel like blood donation is another very important aspect of this program, which inculcates an idea that oftentimes you must hear that, you know, women, you know, they have very low hemoglobin. You're not supposed to give your brother anything. But yet, when you're into NSS, you put yourself into it and you do it because you know that community needs it. And definitely, there is no much bigger of a power than a woman holds within herself, because she creates this world. She is the ruling power of the world, and we can achieve everything and anything. So that's it. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
And through volunteering, a person can work with more closely with diverse individuals and groups to gain deeper insight into their experiences. And it helps in increasing the levels of cross-cultural understanding and more intimate communication. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. National integration camps together. I've seen people making partners in national integration camp. I have not many friends who are now husbands and wives. Why? Because they attended the national integration camp and they had such good relationships. Relationships in the sense, the relationships of understanding, the relationship of working together. So NSS not just gives you an opportunity to build up the relationships, but it also helps you to learn the cultural ethos of each other. It is a platform which is now going to give you an opportunity even to learn and know about the culture of different states. I, as an NSS program coordinator, I'm just going to share my experience that when we do selections at our office in Jammu University, the only thing we look out for is whether the volunteers know their culture or not. So I think NSS now, maybe forcefully only, makes them to learn about their culture, to explore their culture. That is the biggest strength of the NSS, where चाहे आप मजबूरी बोलो, मजबूरी में बच्चों को सीखना पड़ता है, लेकिन बच्चे shortlist तभी होते हैं when they know about their culture, because in national integration camps they have to exhibit about the knowledge about their culture. They have to talk about their culture, because now onwards, from today onwards, you are going to watch all the I would say the cultural representations from different states. So I recall in 2020 when we had National Integration Camp at University of Jammu, so we also made it a point to serve the food of different states. We gave an opportunity to the volunteers to sometimes cook even a small portion, something which is famous of their state. For example, maybe meethe chawal from the Dogra food.
Yes.
So just the meetha chawal were being cooked and being served to all the volunteers of that state, so that they get to know about the culture of that particular community or particular state. Any other state? Otherwise, I just begin with my boring lecture. Yes. Yes, yes. Just switch on the mic.
Good afternoon, everyone. So, ma'am, I'm from Assam.
Assam. Oh, okay.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah, thank you, dear, thank you so much. So, NSS also gives you an opportunity to express among those volunteers, and we give them an opportunity to express themselves on platforms like this. Yes, beta, jo khade ho, yes.
I'm from Himachal event like kidney strike, drug addiction, Meri Diwali, Puri Bharat Wali, etc. A second thing, it gives practical experiences. Two things I want.
Thank you so much. So another very important which is being given to the NSS volunteers. Any other state? Yes.
Good afternoon, everybody. I would like to talk about it by starting with a quote that live as if you were to die tomorrow and learn as if you were to live forever. So participating in NSS has been a transformative experience for our team, and we are from Jammu and Kashmir, from GCW Parade, and this is our college. So a transformative experience that has profoundly impacted our lives as women. The journey has been enriching, and I am very grateful for this numerous opportunities that NSS has given us and the exposure it has provided. Actually, when I went to college and I joined NSS, I was like a dormant seed which was waiting to germinate. I, for a year, could not do anything because I felt shy because it was cold and after all. So when we really started getting into NSS through our PO, Dr. Gurpreet Kaur, and we were really given so many chances we were told how to take responsibilities. We took responsibilities for the NYPs. We joined in so many cleanliness drives and everything, and we learned how to really work, we had that phase of adulting really. It also told us how to really empathize with others and help others, and not only just learn but also teach somebody and not make them feel that as if they are the new ones, right? Telling them that learning is okay if you do not know it. And also we felt really responsible for ourselves, for others, and even in this camp we are immensely proud, and we feel really pleasurable that we are here and taking a part in this, and we also met from different states. So yes, we are very thankful for this camp.
Thank you, dear.
Because it gives us the platform where we can go to different places and experience the problems of others. So I came to know that my problems are much smaller than the problems of the outside world, and that's what I experienced.
Thank you. So we came under this lockdown in March 2020. We were all like, the COVID-19 was there, and we were all locked in our households. So less of restriction, no social gathering, nothing. I was then the program officer, and I was also then was the time period when I was appointed as, or given on deputation, given the responsibility of district nodal officer of NSS. So during that time, what I felt was the one force on which the government also tried to rely on during the COVID times were the NSS volunteers. The government had to back upon the NSS volunteers to create awareness regarding COVID-19 in the society. I recall among the student committees, this was the instructions coming from the higher authorities: involve volunteers in mask making, involve volunteers in the distribution of sanitizers, involve volunteers for making maybe the posters, slogans, anything which will help the society to know more about the COVID-19, the pandemic, the epidemic which had happened. So I recall that was the time when the country also backed upon the NSS volunteers. And why? Because we as volunteers are considered to be more organized. All these values among the NSS volunteers. Not just the volunteers, but I am sure that my program officers from across states will agree that being appointed as NSS program officer brings in lot many changes in the life of a teacher also. So I always tell my volunteers, once a volunteer, always a volunteer. So NSS is something which flows down into the blood of the individual. आप चाहे volunteer रहोगे या नहीं रहोगे after completing your courses, but that entire value of being a volunteer, what you have learned during your volunteer years, will always remain with you throughout your life. So you will start looking at the society with the eyes of what you have learned in these 3 years or 4 years as NSS volunteers. Now coming on to the presentation, all of you know that what are the objectives of NSS. The very important first objective is that NSS helps in the development of personality of a student through community service. So not many times when students come for selection, I generally ask them, what is the motto me but you? But besides not me but you, there is another important tagline is, it is the NSS only which develops the personality of an individual, and that development of the personality is through community service. Next very important is, it is only NSS which gives us a chance to understand the community in which we have to work. See, a lot many programs come from the government side, and lot many times we are being told to perform all those activities in the villages that are being adopted, or the slum areas which are adopted by the specific NSS unit or by that specific college. So why we are being told to adopt those villages is, it is NSS National Service Scheme which asks us to understand the community and the problems of the community. The solutions can only be given if we are able to understand the community in which we start working. The third very important is we understand themselves in relation to their community. Not just understanding themselves, but also making them understand us also. So it is very important. It is, I tell my students that it is through NSS you learn to make rapport building. NSS teaches you how to build up a rapport. A volunteer, a student, if has to encounter the field or has to perform the field work, if there are two students, one who is not an NSS volunteer, another who is an NSS volunteer, and NSS volunteers will be in a better position. I just share one of my experience which I had today morning was when I was just driving towards the Gandhinagar College. There was one police fellow standing there and he told me, "Madam, आप यहाँ से गाड़ी नहीं ले जा सकती हैं." तो मैंने बोला, "But there are other गाड़ीज which are being passing by from the same road. Then why are you stopping me?" On just telling just these two lines, he said, ट्रैफिक वाले को बोलता है, "मैडम की गाड़ी की फोटो खींच लो to make a चालान. मैडम की गाड़ी की फोटो खींच लो." So I said it's okay, if you feel like clicking a photo you can, but if you're not restricting the other vehicles, then it gives me also a right to pass from the same road. I just immediately when I crossed that road, I gave a call to SSP traffic. I told him that this little gadget does not empower that fellow to harass the civilians. That little gadget has been given to manage the traffic and not to harass the civilians. See, who gave me this strength to speak about the small little things? अभी उसने फोटो भी नहीं खींची थी गाड़ी की. But this was somewhere in my mind. I have to report it because maybe someone else might get harassed by the same attitude of that police person. I just gave him a call and mind it, because I have given a call on a helpline number. Within 5 minutes, I got 10 calls from different sections of the police people. Some traffic wala is calling me, some police person is calling me, everybody is calling me actually to know about, "Ma'am, actually what happened?" So I had to raise my voice saying that little gadget, which is a mobile phone, does not empower that fellow being to harass me, and there are CCTV cameras. The footage can be looked out for that whether there were other vehicles who were crossing from that road or not. See, why I am quoting this statement or quoting this incident is NSS sometimes also gives you an opportunity to raise your voice. It is through NSS, it is through community service only that we tend to understand lot many things. And we need to speak something, speak for the rights of the others, and also speak for our own rights. Now, NSS also helps to identify the needs and the problems. So, identify the needs and the problems of the community and involve them in problem solving. See, it is very important that you go and you interact with the community members. The problems which they are highlighting, they also have the solutions to those problems. So you not only have to just listen to the problem, but you will also have to look out for the solution of those problems also. And looking out for the solution of those problems is, sometimes what happens is when you go into the field, because I as a student of sociology, I teach sociology, as a student of sociology, when we do field work, or when I was a student, I was being trained to do the field work. The only thing our teacher taught us was, even lending your ears also helps others to look out for the solutions. Give them lot of peace, give them lot of solace. So, ये जो patience है ना सुनने की, ये NSS volunteers में ही है. The general student community cannot even bear up with this, because as a field worker, I also know there are not many things which come from the field. जो लगता है, अरे बाबा ये तो नहीं सुनना है, ये कहाँ सुना रहे हो, मुझे तो कुछ और information चाहिए. But then we as volunteers have to listen to their problems so that we are able to look out for the solutions also. The next important is social and civic responsibility. Which platform makes us to learn our own social and civic responsibility? It is National Service Scheme. It develop among themselves a sense of social and civic responsibility and acquire leadership qualities. Leadership qualities. NSS gives you an opportunity to develop those leadership qualities. See, among so many NSS volunteers, let me congratulate each one of you that you have been shortlisted, you have been selected to attend this National Integration Camp in Jammu and Kashmir. So see, out of so many individuals, and why this thing has happened is because somewhere or the other, your teachers, your program officers, your program coordinators have actually felt that this leadership quality is within you and you must be given an opportunity to explore yourself more. Because from now onwards, your target would now be to walk on Kartavya path, to get selected for the Republic Day camp. Because once the students have been able to achieve or attend the National Integration Camp, I tell my volunteers, now work hard to attend that one very important highest camp, which is the Republic Day camp. Sharing responsibilities. See, these are the changes which we see in our personality through NSS only. So it is the NSS only which inculcates in us in sharing the responsibilities. Now onwards, today onwards, all those volunteers who are attending NIC for the first time will start feeling that how from today onwards you will have this whole value of sharing the responsibility. आप सबको इकट्ठे रहना है, हॉस्टल में एक जगह पे रहना है, सुबह उठना है, योगा के लिए जाना है, वॉशरूम्स यूज करने हैं, रेडी होना है, बसेस में जाना है, then it will be all based on your leadership qualities, your management. बहुत से बच्चों ने यहाँ टाइम मैनेजमेंट की बात की and plus sharing of the responsibility. From now onwards, I am repeating again, it will help you to understand what the responsibilities are and how you share those responsibilities. ये जो 7 days है, ये आपकी rigorous training होती है और जब Republic Day camp के लिए जाते हो 1 महीने की training होती है. And I see lot many changes in the volunteers when they come back after attending the Republic Day camps. Okay, what does this not mean but you reflect? It is voluntary service. We cannot force any student to become an NSS volunteer. It is the University of Jammu. Clear? So for 2 years PG program, sometimes unfortunately they don't get selected for any of the national camps. So what the volunteers do is, after completing 1 degree, they take admission in the another class. Just why? Because they have their dreams for achieving those national camps. I've seen students doing this, and I've seen students doing this for getting the national awards also, which was earlier named as Indira Gandhi National Award. Now it is NSS National Award. So बच्चों का वो 2 साल में जब ड्रीम रह जाता है, in University of Jammu I have seen from regular course they take admission in the distance courses and they tend to remain. They again join NSS, come back as NSS volunteer, again apply for all those camps, and they have actually achieved in getting those NSS awards. I have my volunteers, 3-4 volunteers who did their PG and later on became the distant mode candidates, and after getting admission in distant mode, they then got that NSS award because they wanted to do something for the society. So it develops the personality of students in relation to others. It also develops the sense of responsibility, places the needs of others before one's own, and you become important than I. So not me, but you. Swayam se pehle aap. So you becomes important than I. Talking about days. So I tell each of the NSS giant Rath wheel of the world famous Konark Sun Temple, which is situated in Orissa in India, And the wheel portrays the cycle of creation, preservation and release, and signifies the movement in time. So this is about the NSS symbol. So NSS symbol is there on the NSS badges also. We have a symbol here also on this standee itself. Now there are what NSS badge includes. The NSS symbol is embossed on the badge. There are 8 bars in the wheel which represents 24 hours of the day. So there are 3 colors in the NSS symbol: red, blue and white. And each NSS volunteer should know the significance of these colors. The red color indicates that the volunteer is full of young blood. That is why blood donations are important. That is lively, active and energetic and full of high spirit. That is why we back upon the NSS volunteers, because they are full of energy. The navy blue color indicates the cosmos, of which NSS is a tiny part. Cosmos means the universe, ready to contribute its share for the welfare of the society. And the white color represents purity, pure intentions. So आप कहीं पे भी देखोगे, किसी भी स्टेट में देखोगे, whenever there is a crisis for the blood or the blood is required in emergency, the first organization to be contacted after the hospitals is the NSS organization. They always tell NSS volunteers to donate blood or to come forward for the help. But that is why they are saying why red color is there, because indicates blood, blue cosmos, and white indicates that volunteer will always have pure intentions whenever he or she is performing the community service. Now under NSS there are basically 2 kinds of activities. During your volunteership there are 2 kinds of activities which NSS volunteers have to undertake. One is the regular NSS activities and the other is the special camping programs. So regular activities, they keep on happening throughout the year. But these special camps, they are always held twice a year. So हम इनको summer camp और winter camp कहते हैं. 7 days or 10 days summer camp or winter camp. Because the description of all these regular activities and special camping activities are very giant Rath wheel of the world famous Konark Sun Temple, which is situated in Orissa in India. And the wheel portrays the cycle of creation, preservation and release, and signifies the movement in time. So this is about the NSS symbol. So NSS symbol is there on the NSS badges also. We have a symbol here also on this standee itself. Now there are what NSS badge includes. The NSS symbol is embossed on the badge. There are 8 bars in the wheel which represents 24 hours of the day. So there are 3 colors in the NSS symbol: red, blue and white. And each NSS volunteer should know the significance of these colors. The red color indicates that the volunteer is full of young blood. That is why blood donations are important. That is lively, active and energetic and full of high spirit. That is why we back upon the NSS volunteers, because they are full of energy. The navy blue color indicates the cosmos, of which NSS is a tiny part. Cosmos means the universe, ready to contribute its share for the welfare of the society. And the white color represents purity, pure intentions. So आप कहीं पे भी देखोगे, किसी भी स्टेट में देखोगे, whenever there is a crisis for the blood or the blood is required in emergency, the first organization to be contacted after the hospitals is the NSS organization. They always tell NSS volunteers to donate blood or to come forward for the help. But that is why they are saying why red color is there, because indicates blood, blue cosmos, and white indicates that volunteer will always have pure intentions whenever he or she is performing the community service. Now under NSS there are basically two kinds of activities. During your volunteership there are two kinds of activities which NSS volunteers have to undertake. One is the regular NSS activities and the other is the special camping programs. So regular activities, they keep on happening throughout the year. But these special camps, they are always held twice a year. So हम इनको summer camp और winter camp कहते हैं. 7 days or 10 days summer camp or winter camp. Because the description of all these regular activities and special camping activities are very well defined in the manual. So I just skip these slides because we have enrichment, conservation, health, family welfare programs, programs aimed at creating an awareness for improvement of the status of women, social service programs, then orientation programs, relief, rehabilitation work, education and activities, and sometimes regular activities also. They happen in the adopted village. In the creation of Amrit Vatika, anyway, so less. Why? Okay, that was where 75 saplings had to be planted. Clear? And it came from the ministry side. It had to be planted either in their gram panchayats or panchayats. So gram panchayats in the areas where the villages have been adopted, and in those villages only going to the gram panchayats and doing those kinds of activities over there. Will always give you incentive also. But when volunteers come to me and ask me, ma'am, हम NSS join कर रहे हैं, हमें क्या फायदा होगा? I tell them, please don't fill in the forms, because then you are not worth being an NSS volunteer. आप मुझे बताओ आप क्या फायदा देने वाले हैं? आप ज्वाइन करने के बाद सोसाइटी को क्या फायदा देने वाले हैं? If you have that thing in mind, then only you are fit to become an NSS volunteer. Otherwise, drop this idea of becoming an NSS volunteer. So there are incentives. Certificate after completing 120 hours, which includes one special camp. In Kashmir, there is a preference in Public Service Commission also if the volunteer has a certificate one in each and every department. So whosoever NSS volunteer will get the highest points. In our admission brochure, we have identified the activities. These activities need to be performed. If the volunteer has performed these activities, these many points will be given. So the volunteers who get the highest point, so in each and every department, one will give to our NSS volunteers. So there are also awards for best work in NSS. We have district level, university level, state level, Indira Gandhi National Award for best NSS volunteers. We also have awards for NSS program officers, college units. We also have the proposal for the awards in specific format, which has to be submitted to University NSS cell. And the format of that form is enclosed at the back of the NSS manual, and the manual is available online. So all those volunteers who are interested, just go through that form, and there are a number of activities which are listed, which you have to undertake as NSS volunteers. So these are the codes and conduct which the NSS volunteer has to undergo. I'll just skip this. I'll just show you some of the pictures which the volunteers at the University of Jammu has been able to organize. So every year University of Jammu takes this initiative of cloth donation drives also, and we go to the adopted villages which have been adopted under Unnat Bharat Abhiyan. So we go to those villages and we distribute the clothes over there. We also do sometimes the stationery drives. So we also commemorate days. For example, in the year 2023, we celebrated the National Girl Child Day in the form of where our NSS volunteers. So these are the kind of, because these kind of activities in the society among the youth also. So this was where the administration involved the NSS volunteers of Jammu University. So NSS volunteers of Jammu University, अभी आप जिस तवी ब्रिज से आए हो, आपने देखा वो ब्रिज, वो पूरी ब्रिज पे हमारे वॉलंटियर्स ने एक चेन बना रखी थी in order to, with the slogans of we have to save Tavi river, say no to plastic, say no to tobacco. So it was in collaboration with the Pollution Control Department of the Jammu. So blood donation, every year now, because some of our volunteers, now what they have done is, I told you, once a volunteer, always a volunteer. So some of the volunteers of Jammu University, what they have done is, they have formed their own NGOs. Clear? All those dedicated NSS volunteers have formed an NGO under the banner of name Disha. जम्मू से जो है उन्होंने सुन रखा होगा, under the name Disha. And what they do it, उन्होंने बहुत meticulously और बहुत पेशेंटली एक एक्टिविटी जो है वो अपनी एनुअल एक्टिविटी बना ली है, दैट इज सेव तवी कैंपेन. उसमें वो क्या करते हैं, ड्यूरिंग नवरात्रीज, स्पेशली अमंग द हिंदूज जो इसको ज़्यादा अंडरस्टैंड करेंगे, ड्यूरिंग नवरात्रीज एट द एंड ऑफ अष्टमी एंड नवमी, लोग क्या करते हैं, वो जो अपनी माता होती है उसको परवाह करते हैं पानी. बट अलॉन्ग विद दैट हमारे दिमाग में ना एक नोशन रहता है, these our volunteers have made a point not to pollute Tavi river, and they stop the devotees at the entrance point, take all these things from them, and this all is being recycled, and this is with the help of administration. And this is the NSS volunteers, the ex-NSS volunteers who are doing this kind of activity. And this is again what this fellow, he is an MBA postgraduate. He was also the NSS volunteer when he was in the University of Jammu. Now किसी ने skill की बात की थी ना, entrepreneurship की बात की थी, skill enhancement की बात की थी. What this boy has done is, ये जो आपको आगे दिख रहे हैं, ये धूप पत्तियां हैं, अगरबत्तियां हैं, which has been made from the flowers, dry flowers जो हम अष्टमी या नवमी में भगवान को चढ़ाते हैं और जो हम इकट्ठा कर लेते हैं, उनसे इसने अपना एक बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर लिया है. ये जो अगरबत्तियां और गोबर से भी बनाता है, अगरबत्तियां और दिए बनाता है. नाउ यू कैन आल्सो ऑर्डर इट ऑनलाइन सिटिंग इन एनी पार्ट ऑफ द कंट्री, इको स्मर्थ के नाम से. एंड ही इज गिवन एम्प्लॉयमेंट टू लॉट मेनी NSS volunteers. So there are lot many volunteers which have been involved with him in making all those things. अब इसने वुडन लॉग्स बनाना शुरू कर दिए जो एट द टाइम ऑफ क्रीमेशन यूज किए जाएंगे, एंड ऑल दोज वुडन लॉग्स विद गुड एसेंस, विद गुड फ्रेगनेंस. सो आप वो जो दिए भी जलाओगे दिवाली में, वो ये डिस्काउंट रेट ऑन अ वेरी सब्सिडाइज्ड रेट्स. देयर आर little diyas which have been made from those flowers or from that cow dung. और वो क्या होता है, वो जब आप दिवाली में दिए को जलाओगे, एक तो वो शुद्धि करता है, जो हम जनरली जब हम यज्ञ करते हैं और जो घर को प्योरिटी वाला कॉन्सेप्ट देते हैं, तो उसके धुएं से दैट ऑल जो आपका जितना बैक्टीरिया, ये वो मॉस्किटो सब खत्म हो जाता है, एंड दैट इवन प्योरिफाइज योर होम. सो दैट वाज हिज आइडिया, एंड दिस आइडिया ऑल केम इन बिकॉज ही वाज द NSS volunteer. सी ये ड्राई फ्लावर्स है जो ये लेके जाता है, जो वहाँ बच्चे इकट्ठे करते हैं, and he takes all these dry flowers. This is Save Tavi campaign where our volunteers, because lot many devotees के साथ, because it is something to do with the religion. So sometimes we cannot pressurize devotees कि नहीं हम दुपट्टा आपसे खींचेंगे नहीं खींचेंगे. So we tell them अच्छा, जो बहुत जिद करते हैं, we tell them okay you take it along, and we let our volunteers stand at the Tavi point, और जैसे ही वो उसको immerse करते हैं, साथ ही volunteers को बाहर निकालते हैं. So this is every time we make volunteers even to visit these areas also. So cleanliness drive around across the city, they keep on holding this cleanliness drive, which is also on voluntary basis. I come to the end of this slide. Thank you so much. If you have